welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Lil XXEL here. That's how I pronounce his name, and that's how he pronounces the name. There are many different ways to do that. I hear people say Zeal or whatever, XXEL. No one but me, that's the name of the song, and it's very easy. 3 chords goes in the same way through the entire song. We have just slight difference here in the strumming when it comes to verse versus chorus, otherwise same. So let's start this one up. We have the capo set high up here on the 7th fret, okay, and that is to get these high notes. So that's the reason. Let's go over the chords. So 3 chords. First, A minor, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Okay, the note you want to emphasize here when you strum this chord is this 1st fret B string. Alright, the next chord will be F major 7. So that will be 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. And the note you want to emphasize here when you strum this one will be the open E string. Okay, and the last final chord will be C. Okay, so that is 3rd A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the note you want to emphasize here will be the open G string. Okay, so there you have it. Now let's look at the strumming pattern. And like I said, very similar when it comes to verse and the chorus. So the verse will play 1 full round of it, and I will use the C for that because this is the only chord out of these 3 we're gonna play 1 full of. So 1 full string round will be down, up, clap, down, clap. Okay. Okay. So down, up, clap, down, clap. That's 1 full, but we need to divide it into 2 parts. So the first part will be down, up, clap. Like that, so down, up, clap. And then comes the second part, you play down, clap. So down and then a bigger pause there and then a clap. So if we connect these 2 parts, it will be down, up, clap, down, clap. Down, up, clap, down, clap. Down, up, clap, down, clap. Like this. All right. So that is the strumming here for the verse. Now when it comes to the chord progression, you're gonna play A minor, F major 7, and C. That will be through the entire song. So for this first A minor, you're gonna play part 1. So down, up, clap, and then you switch to the F major 7 and play part 2, down, clap, and then you switch to the final chord C and play 1 full down, up, clap, down, clap. So A minor part 1, F major part 2, and C 1 full, like this. And try to stay around the notes there we want to emphasize. So that is the strumming for the verse. And for the chorus, it's very similar. It will be played in the same way, A minor part 1, F major part 2, and C 1 full. But the difference here lies in the part 2. So the part 1 will be the same, down, up, clap. And then part 2 will be down, down, clap. So you just add 1 extra down right before this clap, the final clap there. So the part 2 will be with the C chord, down, down, clap. Again, down, down, clap. So 1 full strum round for chorus sounds like this with C. A couple of rounds. Okay, so with the chord progression, A minor part 1, F major part 2, C1 full scale, sounds like this. And that, my friends, covers Lil XXEL, no one but me. Yeah. So, hope that helped, guys. And till next time, play tuned.